What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I've shown you these before. This is a monk pack, and in the variety pack that I got, this is the last flavor. This is the one I haven't tried yet, and it's a raspberry coconut. It's an oatmeal fruit squeeze, whole grain, vegan, gluten-free. You can see the nutritional stuff here. You know, not a huge pack, only 110 calories, so it's a great, snack, but a couple of these could, tide you over like a meal might. Something you can take on the go, put in a backpack for a hike. Maybe you're just driving kids around, maybe you work a lot, maybe you travel a lot, whatever. I think these are really, really good. And so far, the other two, the blueberry and the apple ones that I tried, were delicious. So, want to try this one out and give you my thoughts. I will tell you right now, I like raspberries. I don't love them, but I like them. But I hate coconut. So, just going to give this little bad boy a try. But if it's heavy on coconut, I probably just won't like it. Has nothing to do with the quality of the product, just my own personal taste. And stuck it right out of the package here, and I'll tell you what. Similar thing to the rest of them is that it hits you and it tastes and feels like you're kind of drinking thick applesauce, but it's really juicy, really moist. I mean, it's great. There are, the oats in it, the oatmeal flakes in it, so you do end up chewing a little bit too, but pretty good. Wow, I'll tell you what. It is the raspberry taste, that raspberry flavor that is predominant. And it's great. It gives that, it's like applesauce with a real berry flavor. Not an overly powerful berry flavor, but kind of that, that sweet tart note of raspberries. Now, on the coconut side, I think there are little tiny shavings of coconut in here, because as I'm chewing through like the oatmeal oats, I feel like I'm getting just some really, really, really small shavings of coconut. And so it's not until actually I'm chewing that kind of I release a little bit of that coconut flavor. I'll be honest, I don't like coconut. Do I hate it? I don't hate it, but I just don't like it. But I will tell you that in the arrangement they have it here, I have no problems with it. I mean, even though I would normally avoid coconut, I would grab one of these raspberry coconut pouches and eat it, drink it, whatever you call it, squirt it, soak it in, without an issue. Normally I avoided things with, say, coconut, but not on this. This tastes great. I mean, it's really good. And for me, maybe a hint of the coconut, but not an overpowered coconut at all. So if you don't like coconut, I don't even think you have to worry about it. I think you'll still enjoy this quite a bit. Now, you can get them in flavors. You can get them in the sampler pack like I did here. I will put a link to them in the description, but I think these are delicious. You don't need a glass of water. Some of the things tend to be very dry or really thick. This just kind of hits it right in the middle on a lot of those key areas and tastes great. So check it out. I think you'll enjoy it too. Peter Von Panda, out.